6500 PSI, Viber alert activated. Pass device activated. Remote pressure gauge within 100 PSI.
Firefighter Baca is going to demonstrate one of the methods for donning an SCBA. As he begins his process, he's checking to make sure his purge valve is shut, that his air saver device is activated. He's checking to make sure all the straps are laid out correctly. That way there's no issues when he actually gets to donning this piece of equipment. So next, Firefighter Baca is going to turn the cylinder on. He's paying attention to notice his Vibra alert is activated, his pass device is activated, and he's checking his remote pressure gauge to be within 100 of the pressure on his cylinder. Now he stands the whole cylinder assembly up. He's grabbing it by the back frame, and he's going to lift it up and over his head, keeping his elbows in close to his head so that the straps fall directly down onto his shoulders. You notice he keeps his hands on the straps for reference, and then he goes straight into tightening those straps up with no wasted movement. Once again, no wasted movement. He grabs straight onto the waist strap here, slides his hands up front, and latches the seat belt in the front. Slides his hands back. He's going to tighten that up the same way he did his shoulder straps. So now at this point, Firefighter Baca has the pack on his back. He's going to continue the process by grabbing his mask. He's going to tighten his mask down using the straps. And then he's going to don his hood over his mask. And he's taking special care to make sure he has no exposed skin, and he's making sure that that mask or that hood covers the entire surface of the mask. From that point, he's not wasting any movement. He already has his hand up there. He's checking his seal immediately. Then he's going to grab his helmet. You notice he likes to keep his helmet strapped, slides it directly over, tightens the strap down. He's making small adjustments to the size of the helmet in the back, immediately goes down to his regulator and goes on air. You can hear the air, it clicks in. He's now breathing air out of the cylinder. He's going to go ahead and put his structure gloves on. And from this point, he's going to get, one last thing, he's going to make sure his shield or Bork shields are down. And from this point, he's completely dressed in structural firefighting gear, ready to go interior into an IDLH environment. Firefighter Baca is now going to demonstrate another method for donning his SCBA. It's called the coat method. At this point, he's going to grab it by the straps. You notice where he's grabbing here. He's not grabbing it by the back frame. He's grabbing it by the shoulder straps. And he's going to take the pack, fling it around his back like you're putting on a coat. At this point, he keeps his hands up high. He's able to grab those straps, tighten them down. And now the process is very similar to the over-the-head method.